Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of being slow on Gmail. To know how to fix or how to solve being slow on Gmail app, you will click on settings. In this page, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you can search about Gmail and you can click. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear detail because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.